Everyone knows that listening to Mozart as a baby makes you smarter. But what if I told you that's not necessarily true? Wait, so you're telling me that your parents didn't play classical music while you were sleeping when you were a baby? Yep, that explains it. Nah, just kidding. It explains nothing other than I hope they actually enjoyed classical music because there is no scientific evidence that backs your child will become smarter if you play Mozart music when they are young. Just, there's no evidence. A paper published in Nature in 1993 introduced the Mozart Effect to the masses. Psychologist Frances Rauscher performed a study involving 36 college kids. They listened to either 10 minutes of Mozart's Sonata in D major, a very relaxing track, or silence before performing several spatial reasoning tasks. In one test, emphasis on one test, students had listened to Mozart seemed to show significant improvement in their performance by about 8 to 9 IQ points. And the rest is history. World caught on, word caught on, and the rest is history. Word caught on that just listening to Mozart music would increase your IQ, and the Mozart effect phenomenon was born. Literally from birth, parents were playing sonatas to their babies in hopes they would gain brain power through the effect. As the myth continued to grow, so did $100 million plus industry centered around Mozart music for babies. Think about that. One study sparked $100 million industry. But come to find out, it was all a fallacy. There is no IQ increase by listening to Mozart. Actually, rather than passively listening to music, putting an instrument into the hands of a youngster has been shown to raise intelligence and confidence. You can gain confidence today knowing that if you missed out on the Mozart tracks while you're sleeping in your crib, don't worry, it didn't affect your knowledge. And a double gain of confidence today knowing that most hot movements are just that. When something seems too good to be true, it usually is. And why don't we just keep going? A triple gain of confidence today in picking up an instrument and playing it. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin. And for my face, it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023 and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the number one skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife says Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.